Kon mwajwang domo malo odagi weyo thuolo gavana machon ma Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu kod rambun e kinde ma orito winjo apil mare mane ochwalo kokwedo kum mar twech jela higni 12 mano omiye nikech weche mag mibadhi. Jang'ad bura Lucy Njuguna wacho ni Waititu ok ochopo neno ma oromo manyalo miye we thuolo kod rambun. Doho kata kamano ochiwo chik mondo omi apil mane Waititu otere Doho winji mapiyo mondo omi ochiw ng'eto e kinde mowinjore. Waititu nomako bura ne Doho ka odwaro mondo omi owe thuolo kod rambun kowacho ni en kod midhiero mathoth kama oting'o del malit. Kata kamano Doho kwane ni jela ma pacho ka nitiere kod chenro makare kama inya thiedhe.
It is my considered view that the analysis of the evidence and the conclusions to be drawn on facts which were raised by the applicants should be matters that can only be determined during the hearing of the substantive appeal and not at this point. This court can confirm that the diary of the court can accommodate the hearing of the appeals in under 2 months from now, meaning that the appellants would not have served a substantial part of the sentences. Having considered all the above, it is my finding that the applicants have not met the conditions for grant of bail pending appeal. The applications are hereby dismissed. The appeal shall be heard on priority basis, given that the applicants herein are in custody.